Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am very happy today. Do you know why?
Why?
Because I tried a new restaurant last night. The food was so good. I had pasta with tomato sauce, and the bread was warm and fresh.
Oh, that sounds amazing. I love pasta.
And you, Jake, how are you?
I am hungry. Very, very hungry.
Hungry? Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had toast and an egg, but that was 3 hours ago. And now you are talking about pasta and warm bread. My stomach is not happy.
Sorry, Jake. I did not mean to make you hungry.
Too late. I can almost smell the pasta right now.
Well, actually, your hunger is perfect for today.
Perfect. Why?
Because today, you and I are going to a restaurant.
Really? Right now?
Well, not a real restaurant. We are going to practice restaurant English together, right here.
Oh, that sounds fun. So we will role play.
Yes, but today is different from our normal episodes. Today, we are not just talking, we are practicing together, you and me and everyone at home.
Everyone at home, too?
Yes, today is a shadowing practice episode.
Shadowing. I know this. I listen and I repeat.
Exactly. I will say a sentence, you repeat it. And everyone at home, you repeat it too. Say it out loud. Use your voice.
So we all practice together.
Yes, we will have a conversation at a restaurant. And after every few sentences, we stop, we pick the most useful sentences, and we practice them together.
So it's like a real conversation plus a workout.
Yes, a speaking workout. By the end of today, you will have 8 real sentences. 8 sentences you can use in any restaurant in any English-speaking country.
8 sentences. That sounds great. I like this idea. Let's do it.
We will go step by step. First, arriving at the restaurant, then ordering food, and finally, paying the bill and leaving. Ready?
Ready. Let's go eat. Well, let's go practice eating.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's go to the restaurant. Okay, imagine we are walking into a restaurant. The door opens, a waiter says hello. What do we say?
Hello. Table for 2?
Almost. Let's make it a little more polite. We say, hi, a table for 2, please.
Hi, a table for 2, please. That sounds nice.
Good. Let's practice this sentence together. I will build it up, piece by piece. Repeat after me. Ready?
Ready.
A table.
A table.
A table for 2.
A table for 2.
Hi, a table for 2, please.
Hi, a table for 2, please.
Perfect. Everyone at home, say it out loud with Jake. One more time. Hi, a table for 2, please.
Hi, a table for 2, please.
Wonderful. See how easy that was? 3 small pieces, and now you have 1 complete sentence. You can walk into any restaurant and say this.
It feels very natural now, not scary at all.
Good. Now, the waiter shows us some tables, but Jake, you want to sit in a special place.
Yes, I want to sit near the window. I love looking outside when I eat.
Good. So you say, can we sit near the window?
Oh, that is a nice sentence. Can you say it again?
Of course. Listen carefully. Can we sit near the window?
Can we sit near the window?
Yes, very good. Everyone at home, repeat. Can we sit near the window?
I like this. We walk in, we ask for a table, we choose our seat. Easy.
And you already have 2 sentences. 2 real sentences you can use in any restaurant in any country.
Hi, a table for 2, please. And can we sit near the window?
Yes, and you can change the words too. If you have 3 people, a table for 3, please. If you want to sit outside, can we sit outside?
Oh, same sentence, different words. I see. Very flexible.
Exactly. Okay, the waiter takes us to a nice table by the window. We sit down,
let's look at the menu. Okay, we are sitting at our table now. The waiter gives us a menu. Jake, what do you do first?
I look at the menu. There are many things. Chicken, fish, pasta, salad, soup.
Good, but you are not sure what to order, so you ask the waiter for help. You say, "What do you recommend?"
Recommend? What is recommend?
Recommend means, what do you think is good? What is the best choice? When you ask, what do you recommend, you are asking for their suggestion.
Ah, like, what is your favorite thing on the menu?
Exactly. Let's practice this. I will say it slowly first, then at normal speed. You follow me both times, okay?
Okay.
Slowly. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Good. Now, normal speed. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Excellent. Everyone at home, try it. Slowly first. What do you recommend? And now, normal speed. What do you recommend?
That feels good. Okay, so the waiter recommends the chicken.
Yes, the waiter says, the chicken with rice is very popular.
Sounds delicious. I will order that.
Good. When you order food, you say, I would like the chicken with rice, please.
I would like. I heard this before. It is very polite, right?
Yes, I would like is polite. More polite than I want. In a restaurant, always use I would like.
Got it. I would like, not I want. More polite, more friendly.
Yes, and waiters hear this every day. It is very natural. Let's build this one up. It is a longer sentence. Ready?
Ready.
I would like.
I would like.
I would like the chicken.
I would like the chicken.
I would like the chicken with rice.
I would like the chicken with rice.
I would like the chicken with rice, please.
I would like the chicken with rice, please.
Beautiful. Everyone at home, the full sentence. I would like the chicken with rice, please.
What about drinks? I'm thirsty.
Good question. The waiter asks, anything to drink?
And I say,
You can say, can I have a glass of water, please?
can I have a glass of water, please? Easy.
Or you can say, and a coffee, please. Simple. Just add it.
I always want coffee. I would like the chicken with rice, please, and a coffee.
Of course, Jake and his coffee. Let's review our block 2 sentences.
What do you recommend?
Good.
I would like the chicken with rice, please.
Perfect.
Can I have a glass of water, please?
3 very useful sentences. You can order food anywhere in the world with these. Okay, the food arrives. The waiter puts the plates on the table. Steam is rising from the chicken. It smells amazing. You pick up your fork. You take a bite. Jake, how is it?
Oh, it is so good. Really, really good. The chicken is soft. The rice is perfect.
Great. In a restaurant, you can say, this is really delicious.
This is really delicious. Nice and simple.
Yes, and the waiter will be very happy to hear that. Can you say it again for me?
This is really delicious.
Everyone at home, repeat. This is really delicious. Feel the words. Mean it.
I do mean it. I'm imagining the chicken right now.
Jake, you really are hungry.
I told you.
Okay, we finish eating. Everything was wonderful. Now it is time to pay. What do we say?
Give me the money paper?
The money paper. That's a funny way to say it, but close. We say, can we have the check, please?
The check. That's the paper with the price on it, right?
Yes, the check. Some people also say the bill. Both are fine. Let me say it slowly first.
Okay.
Slowly. Can we have the check, please?
Can we have the check, please?
Normal speed. Can we have the check, please?
Can we have the check, please?
Perfect. Everyone at home, try it. Can we have the check, please?
And then we pay and we leave.
Yes, we pay, but before we leave, it's nice to say something kind to the waiter. People remember kindness. You can say, thank you so much. The food was wonderful.
Thank you so much. The food was wonderful. That's polite.
Yes, a little kindness makes everyone's day better. Let's do this one together. I say it, you follow.
Ready.
Thank you so much. The food was wonderful.
Thank you so much. The food was wonderful.
Beautiful. That is the end of our restaurant visit. Let's see. Block 3 sentences.
This is really delicious.
Good.
Can we have the check, please?
Good.
Thank you so much. The food was wonderful.
You sound like a real restaurant pro, Jake.
A pro? I like that.
Now, Jake, this is the big challenge. Can you tell me the whole restaurant story? From the beginning. Use all the sentences we practiced.
All of them? Okay, let me try.
Take your time.
Okay, so we walk into the restaurant. I say, "Hi, a table for 2, please." The waiter shows us some tables. I say, "Can we sit near the window?" We sit down. The waiter gives us the menu.
Very good. Keep going.
I look at the menu. There are many things. I do not know what to order, so I ask, "What do you recommend?" The waiter says the chicken is popular, so I say, "I would like the chicken with rice, please, and can I have a glass of water, please?"
Excellent. And then?
The food comes. I take a bite. I say, "This is really delicious." We eat, we talk, we are happy. Then it is time to go. I say, "Can we have the check, please?" We pay, and before we leave, I say, "Thank you so much. The food was wonderful."
Jake, that was amazing. You used every single sentence, and it sounded like a real story.
It felt real too, and it was not so hard because we practiced each one step by step.
Exactly. That is the power of shadowing. You practice small pieces first. You repeat them, you feel them in your mouth, and then you put them all together into one big, beautiful conversation.
Like building with blocks. Small blocks make a big house.
I love that. Yes, small blocks, big house. And everyone at home, you can do the same thing right now. Try to tell the whole restaurant story. Use all 8 sentences. Pause the podcast right now if you want. Take 1 minute, tell the story out loud, then press play and keep going.
We will wait for you.
Well, not really wait, but you can pause.
Right. Pause, practice, then come back to us.
Okay, let's review all our sentences one last time. We will walk through the restaurant again. I say it, Jake, you repeat. Everyone at home, you repeat too. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
We walk in. Hi, a table for 2, please.
Hi, a table for 2, please.
We look around. Can we sit near the window?
Can we sit near the window?
We open the menu. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
We order, I would like the chicken with rice, please. And can I have a glass of water, please?
I would like the chicken with rice, please. And can I have a glass of water, please?
The food comes. This is really delicious.
This is really delicious.
We're finished. Can we have the check, please?
Can we have the check, please?
We stand up to leave. Thank you so much. The food was wonderful.
Thank you so much. The food was wonderful.
8 sentences, 1 complete restaurant visit, from the door to goodbye.
I feel ready to eat in English now.
You are ready, and so is everyone at home. You practiced every sentence today. Your mouth said them, your brain remembers them.
And the more you practice, the easier it gets.
Yes, say these sentences tonight before you sleep. Say them tomorrow morning, and the next time you go to a restaurant, try using just one. Even one sentence is a big, big step.
You can do it. We believe in you.
Start small, speak out loud. That's the secret. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
Give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, which restaurant sentence was the most useful for you? And have you ever ordered food in English before?
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.